guys. Thank you so much for coming in. Mm. Today we are going to discuss about something that is really vital, something that I see we are supposed to talk about. Okay, share the live, share the live, share the live, share the live. We are going to talk about the Binance Launchpad and what's happening with the Binance Launchpad. So share the live, share the live. So in just 1 minute, I'm going to be starting up with what is happening in the Binance Launchpad. We are going to explain what is happening in the Binance Launchpad and if you can actually get engaged into this coin that Binance is going to launch up. Binance is launching a coin right now, a coin in this week that I'm going to be talking about. I think everyone, like people need to know about this, and when people know about it, I'm sure maybe they can take part in it, and that's why we want this information. I want to pass it to my community very fast as possible. And this live, I'm expecting it not to go beyond 30 minutes, so I'm expecting to do it very fast. So in this live, what are we going to do? We are going to explain Binance Launchpad and how you can use it to make money, actually how you can invest in the Binance Launchpad. We are bringing this information at the right time because Binance is launching a coin in just 4 days from now. So we are going to explain what exactly you need to do, what you need to do if you really want to get involved in the Binance Launchpad. Now, before we jump into today's coin, what you're going to look at, I want to explain and talk about what is the Binance Launchpad. Now, the Binance Launchpad is actually a product of Binance, or as you say, as a service of Binance. That's Binance offers to different cryptocurrency investors or different people who are in the space of cryptocurrency. So you can have your own company and you have developed a cryptocurrency and you want to launch it, but before launching it, you really want to get some startup capital. So Binance gives you that platform called the Binance Launchpad. It is used to launch new cryptocurrencies that want funding. Now, these new cryptocurrencies, remember, there are so many cryptocurrencies and some of them are scams. Some people are not serious with their projects. Yeah, some people are not scams, but they are not serious with their companies, and you find that the companies are just like when you are starting a new company and you're looking for people to invest in your company, and you are sometimes you get the investment and then your company fails. So that's why there are so many exchanges and so many platforms that are offering the same service that Binance is offering, the Binance Launchpad, but they are not doing it like Binance. You find that in other platforms, every week they are launching a new cryptocurrency coin, but Binance delays to launch. Actually, Binance, since it was formed, since the Binance Launchpad was formed, Binance has only launched only 30 projects, and you can check, and among the projects that Binance has launched, those projects are all doing well. The projects that Binance has launched are all doing well. Why? Because before Binance launches a product, it really goes through a lot of scrutiny. Before Binance puts a product on a Binance Launchpad, it checks a lot of things for Binance to actually make it listed. So if you're on this live, please tell me that yes, I'm on the live, we should continue. Just give me that. If you're on the live, you tell me. If you're on the live, you tell me where you're streaming from as we continue. If you're on the live, please be telling me where you're getting me from. So Skipper256 is saying I'm ready. Please, you can be giving me those comments as I'm making this information. I'm bringing you this information so that it can be helpful to you, so that you can use it at your own time when you want. So I'm going to be reading your messages, or you can be bringing in your messages. I'm going to be reading your messages later, but let's concentrate. So Henry is saying I'm on live streaming from Kampala, Uganda. Thank you so much, Kampala, Uganda, Henry. Someone is saying, Skipper, live from Dubai. Thank you so much for streaming in from Dubai. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can share this live in our community on Telegram. Let guys know, because we share the two links. The other one is not the one I'm using. I'm using this one that we're using. So I'm sure maybe guys are on the other link, but it's not the right link. This is the right link. So you can just share, and let's continue with this vital information, because people are not going to get this information. Now, Binance Launchpad. I was explaining to you what Binance Launchpad is. Binance Launchpad helps new people in the industry, new companies in the industry that have come. You have a good idea, or you have a good idea, but you don't have capital, you want people to invest in your idea. So what does Binance Launchpad do? It brings for you that money that you want. It places your project into the face of investors. Now, what are these investors? These investors are actually Binance users who love crypto, who are willing to invest in the projects that Binance bring in. Now, since Binance Launchpad was launched, Binance Launchpad has only done 30 projects. And guess what? The 30th project is the one we are going to talk about on this live. So I'm just so excited. I'm so pampered. I'm just going to be giving you the tokenomics of this crypto that Binance is launching. So the guys, if you really want, you can get involved into the launch activity, and you can make more money. You can make some money in it. Okay, is there a risk, Jibril? Yes, there is risk in investing in new cryptocurrencies, because sometimes you can invest in something and it is not going to work. But just know, depending on the past experience, what Binance has been launching, they have always been working. So the last project they launched was called Hook. So you go to Binance and look for Hook, that coin Hook. That coin, I actually posted it yesterday on Telegram. I posted a signal on Telegram and I told guys I was buying Hook, and we are in profits for Hook. So we are in profits for Hook. That's you should be knowing that. So Hook is the last it did, and what is going to happen right now? It is called the Space ID. Now, what is this Space ID? Now, this Space ID is a cryptocurrency project that has come in Web3. What does it want to do? It wants to enable you and me, users, to be able to buy domain names in Web3. I don't know if you understand. Like, do you know domain names? Domain names are like addresses to websites. For example, if my website is called Jibril.com, the word Jibril, www.jibril.com, is a domain name. So this new company called Space ID wants us to be buying domain names or to access domain names in Web3. So that's the main thing that they are going to do. But of course, that is one of the fundamentals maybe you would want to look at. I'm just going to be passing through. I said I don't want this live to be long, so I'm going to be just jumping into the information very, very fast. And you guys I'm going to refer to you where you can get more information if you really want. So you are going to get, the company is called Space ID, that is going to be launched in 4 days from now. So in 4 days from now, Binance is going to be launching that coin, and this coin is going to have, for you to participate in this coin, this coin, you are going to be you have to be a BNB holder. I don't know if you guys hold BNB. So if you don't hold BNB, that's why I've done this live, so that you get, if you want to participate in the Launchpad, you get access to BNB. You store BNB, or you get BNB and put it in your account. So you can put it on your spot wallet. And now they are going to be selling the minimum BNB you should be having 0.1 BNB. So you should calculate for me. 0.1 BNB is how much? 0.1 BNB, you should just tell me 0.1 BNB is how much. You will calculate. So this is the minimum that you really need to participate in this. So if you get 0.1 BNB, then you own. Of course, right now it is still not on sale. You have to have the knowledge before. That's why I've done this live. So on 22nd, they are doing them subscription period on 22nd. So on 22nd, it is going to be opened for guys are going to buy on 22nd. So when you have your 0.1 BNB, 0.1 BNB, I don't know, is it around 30 USDT? I don't know. You guys should calculate 0.1 that you need. 0.1 BNB right now, BNB is at 330 the last time I checked, some few minutes back. So you are going to be checking. So you need 0.1 BNB to participate, and you are going to be $1. They are going to be selling the coin at 0.025. They're going to be selling the coin at 0.025 cents. So it means that this coin, I did my research, and this coin could have potential of doing 2x or 3x. This coin has a potential of coming to 0.05. If it comes to 0.05, then you'd have done 2x. It means if you placed 100, you'd have got 200. If you placed $50, you'd have got $100. this coin, of course, it has the potential. That's why it is bringing you also the fundamental that is having. And I'm just telling you that all the coins that Binance has ever launched, they have never failed. You can check since Binance was launched the Binance Launchpad, they have only done 30 projects, and the 30th project is the one we are talking about on this live. So it's called Space ID. Now that Space ID, for you to participate in the Space ID one, you need to have a Binance account and you'd have completed your KYC. So I'm sure most of you have Binance accounts and you have completed your KYC, you have completed your identity verification. That's so great for you guys. So you need to be a BNB holder. Let me hope you guys have some BNB. Actually sold my BNB when it knocked that 330. I'm really regretting, but I'm going to be buying more BNB. But again, I'm going to be buying it expensively because for me, I bought BNB at 260. Now BNB is at 330. But I'm going to buy some BNB just to participate in the Launchpad. So you guys, if you also want, you can participate in this Launchpad. Then yeah, you are going to ask me, when are you going to receive the coins if you participate in the Launchpad? Because when they open the Launchpad, it is remaining 4 days. It's happening on 22nd of March. Today is what? Today is 17th, 18th. So in 4 days, today is 18th. In 4 days from now, the launch is going to be opened, and once it is opened, I'm telling you guys, I'm doing this live so that you guys, if you want to participate, you should be eyes opened. You should just not miss, because once they launch, once they open like this, people are going to be pumping money into it very fast. You find that maybe in 1 hour even they will knock the target and then they have closed. You come when the target has closed, you cannot participate. Now when are you receiving the coins? After that, on the same day of 22nd again of March, they are going to do the calculation. Now the calculation is how many people have really participated and how many coins are we going to give to each person. So the addresses that have participated, they will be punching those, they will be calculating that this person is receiving this person is receiving this. When is that happening? On the same day, 22nd of March 2023. Then token distribution is the day that you are going to receive your coins after participating in the Launchpad, or the initial coin offering. So what we are doing is called initial coin offering. I'll explain that a little bit later, but we are talking about this. When are you going to receive those coins? If in case you participate, you are going to receive the coins on 22nd of March 2023. So if you distribute, you are going to receive the coins on the same day. Now what is the difference? The difference is just timing. Now the subscription is going to be open at exactly 9. At 9 the subscription will be open and people are going to start buying. I'm telling you, this target, their target is 500,000 USDT. So 500,000 USDT, I'm sure people can knock that in 1 hour. In 1 hour is even big. People can knock that very fast. That's why they are doing everything on the same day. Now the calculation is going to be done at 12. They're going to do calculations at 12. At 12 they are going to do calculations and everything is going to be done at 12. Then at 13, of course, that is the evening. For those who are in Uganda, 13, you know what I'm meaning. You are going to be able to receive your coins. Now when you receive your coins at 13, that's when you are going to see people trying to do their sales. People who are doing sales, I don't know how much you're going to be making, I don't know how much it is going to be, but of course if you are not comfortable with it, you can put the minimum amount you want. You can maybe try it out, because this is not going to be the last project that is going to be launched. Only that I wanted to talk about it so that next time they are launching any coin, you are there, you can follow, you can do the analysis yourself, you can know what's happening, you can read the white paper, you can know how much you need. Then another thing also, hey, those small amount of money that you have, you can be using them to hold BNB. So that is the information that I really wanted to punch with you guys. And as I promised, I said at most I don't want the live to go beyond like 30 minutes. So I've used at least 14 minutes. I think this was great. I think this is so great. So I'm going to be receiving questions from you. If you have any other question, I don't want the live to be so long. If you have some question, I will just get it very fast, try to answer it. But that's what I wanted to explain to you guys. Otherwise, for more information, what you're going to do, you're going to go to your home homepage of Binance. You click on more. When you click on more, you are going to scroll down. When you scroll down, you are going to be seeing the section of earn. The section of earn down there. When you scroll on more, that section, you're going to meet the Binance Launchpad in that section. When you click on the Binance Launchpad in that section, you are going to see Space ID. So the Space ID is what we are talking about, and I hope you guys will participate in the Space ID. Otherwise, that's what I really wanted to share with you guys. Hoping to see you, hoping to give in more information. Otherwise, if you have some question, you can tell me. If you have any comment, you can put it in the comment section. We don't want this to be so long, but if you have any engagement that you feel like, yes, I should talk about it on the live, you can say it very fast as we go and do other things. I've spent 15 minutes here. That has been so great. I hope it was full of some valuable information. I hope you guys are going to next, if you don't participate in this Launchpad, it's well and good, but I want you to know that one of the ways that people make some good money in this space is actually through Launchpads, through investing in coins that others cannot yet invest in, because those coins, whenever some people are now coming to buy them, when for you people you are just selling, you understand, when people are just selling. So yeah, that is what I wanted to talk about. That's what I wanted to talk about. You guys are going to be sold coins on discount. So if you guys have anything that you feel like saying, you can say it. I want to uh, 256 is saying thanks bro, you're welcome. Thank you so much for attending, and I think if there's so much to go to come, just know, you if you're not on Telegram, I'm sure you should get onto Telegram. uh what's wrong with Eve? There's nothing wrong with that coin. There's nothing wrong with the coin. There's just nothing wrong with that. The stuff is very, very, very okay, but you can just get engaged with it if you really want. You can just get engaged with it if you really want, but there's nothing wrong with it. Actually, my computer is off, but I would have tried to check it through for you, but I've switched off my computer to do this live. Maybe let me try to see here. I really don't want the live to be long, so okay guys, let me see you on Telegram. If you have any other thing, let me see you on Telegram. Coin invested on app now, I haven't. Someone is saying coin invested on it, but app now I haven't achieved from it. What do you mean? You invested in it but you have not yet achieved in that coin? It all depends on your reason why you invested. Did you invest for long or did you invest for short term? So there are some people who really invest and they want to get out in one day. That's not investing. That one is trading. We are trying to trade or you are trying to invest. So like yesterday, the coins that I gave yesterday, I gave 4 coins yesterday on Telegram, and those coins I said it's for guys who are trying to go for long term, guys who are trying to hold them. Although they're already holding them in profits, but of course, some people, if you feel like yes, you wanted to trade it and get out your profits, yeah, you guys can get out of profits. But if you feel you still want to maximize the stay, you leave it like that. If you want to maximize, if you feel you want to maximize the profits, you can wait. We are holding, some of us are holding. So when you are holding, you are just okay for oh guys, so great. So 1 minute to go. So token distribution, everything, I think I've talked about everything that I needed to talk about. So BNB, guys, hold BNB. Those who are not holding BNB, I don't know, but you should get some small BNB onto your portfolio. You should get some BNB and you try to go through these launches. Yeah, for especially those who want some quick money. On 22nd, don't sleep. On 22nd, look at your Binance Launchpad. Look at your Binance Launchpad and make sure you at least try to maximize something. Otherwise, guys, it has been great having you here. Let's meet the other side. Otherwise, on YouTube, let's close it here. It has been great having you guys. Till next time, I've been Jibril. Maybe if you have any simple thing that you feel like you're talking about the Launchpad, I've been trying to talk about the Launchpad, and if you do not understand, please, I told you that you go to Binance, click on your homepage on Binance, you go and scroll for Launchpad, look at everything that you need to do on Space ID, because I've talked about Launchpads. Previous Launchpad's history, they have done well. Binance has been doing so well as far as Launchpad is concerned. So because of the strictness, they do research before they bring in any coin to launch. So obviously Binance Launchpads have been doing well. So this coin that is going to be launched on Binance, I hope it does well. It is not selling anywhere yet, so it means it is going to fast sell on Binance. And you know, Binance is, of course, the biggest exchange in the whole world. You understand? The king of exchanges. So if something is going to be launching on the king of exchanges, you just know the worth it is going to be. So otherwise, whether you are going to participate or you are not going to participate, put your eyes on it, because if you don't participate, I'm sure you will learn from it. If you participate, you'll also learn from it, although the one who participates learns more than the one who has not participated. It has been so nice talking to you guys. Hoping to see you the other side of the chat. Thank you so much.